Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can control your Roku device from your phone, tablet, either it's an iPhone, Android based phone, iPad, or an Android based tablet. So let me go here. I am going to switch over Alright, so I already have installed the Roku app. So here's what's going to happen. Now to get the Roku app, in this case you would go to the App Store and you would search for the official Roku app. So since I'm here, I'm going to click open. Hopefully it'll open. I had it open a bit ago. Okay. There we go. Alright, so it's going to be portrait. It will not do the landscape mode while you're there. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is click continue. I'm going to click next. And everything I just said, this is showing you. And of course, you're going to have to click allow, so that way it'll do it. Sign in. Alright, so now we're signing in. And you have your home, you have your Roku channel, and you have a remote. And you have devices. Connect. Should find it. And they are. Alright, so let's do this again. There we go. Alright, there we go. So here's what happened. I have a switch down below, and I have the Roku plug into that switch. Now I had to physically plug it into my wireless, the switch on my wireless, because that's what the phone is connecting to the wireless, and this app is searching for everything on that wireless. Which means if the Roku is not on that, it's not going to work. At least on my setup. Your setup may differ. So I'm going to, it says found new device, so I'm going to click that, and it's connected. So now what I can do is go to channels, and that is my home for the Roku. So if I go to remote and I click the left side, go to home, now I could scroll down to Spectrum, just tap this. So what's happening now is this is just a remote setup. So when I switch back to the Roku, it's gonna, you're gonna see how the channel changing works. So I got to turn the screen mirroring off. I'm in the Spectrum app. So if I push home, we're going to go home. As you can see, push home again, it goes back to the top of the screen. Alright, so with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.